Hi everyone, and a special hello to all our viewers who practice a teaching profession. Imagine the following situation. You are a math teacher and there is a student in your class who didn't completely understand the lesson you taught in class today. And since you are an awesome teacher, your goal is to ensure everyone is aligned today to progress together with the material tomorrow. So what do? Well, record the perfect, simple, and engaging video where you explain the lesson, and this can happen in just a few minutes. Certainly, this is just one example, and I'm sure that as educators, you encounter various situations. So in today's video, I'll show you how to craft an outstanding educational video for effective teaching tailored to your diverse needs. The simplest and most effective way to create a video lesson is by screen recording. There is a lot of software available, but in a minute I'll share the best one with you. To streamline the recording process, prepare all the materials you'll need in advance, such as images, videos, presentations, or websites relevant to your lesson. Keep these resources open and easily accessible during the recording session. Make sure you clear your background so that it doesn't appear distracting. For an engaging video lesson, consider including your webcam, adding a personal touch to your videos. It's a good idea to record your microphone and system audio as well. I promised you the best app for screen recording, and here it is. I present to you ScreenRec. This lightweight, user-friendly screen recorder will quickly become your favorite application when it comes to recording video lessons. So let's dive into the process. First, head over to ScreenRec.com and swiftly download the app. Installation is straightforward, taking no more than 2 minutes. Once installed, you'll find the user-friendly interface with settings to customize your recording experience. You can select a different microphone if you have an external one, and decide whether to include your webcam in the recording. As I mentioned, you better keep it on. Ensure the toggle for system audio recording is enabled if necessary. With these settings adjusted, you're ready to start recording. Simply press Alt+S and select the area you want to capture on your screen, whether it's the entire screen or a specific portion. For a great educational video, you better record your whole screen. Click on the video icon to commence recording. The beauty of ScreenRec lies in its absence of time constraints, allowing you to record as long as needed. Upon completing your recording, press the stop button or again use Alt+S. Your video is automatically uploaded to your personal 2 GB cloud storage on ScreenRec. You can access it in your gallery and either download it locally or copy the shareable link to send via email, message, or any other platform. The best part is that your students don't need to download anything. They can simply click on the link to access and review the lesson at their convenience. So that was all for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.